Here we come to the elevators at the Hilton Americas Hotel in downtown Houston, Texas. These are Schindler 500A. Unfortunately, the guest elevators are carded off, so I'm not going to do those. And I don't know if the camera could pick up well, thankfully not. But that song you're hearing is Don't Stop Thinking About Tomorrow from Fleetwood Mac. I'm just gonna take a quick ride on this. I don't know if we'll be able to catch it on camera. But it went out. Okay, that's enough music for the day. I don't want to avoid getting a copyright. But yep, of course I'm definitely not going to stop thinking about tomorrow, because tomorrow's Friday, if you don't know that. This is exactly what the guest elevators look like. Like I said, I'm not going to film the guest elevators because they're key card. All right, I think we're gonna end the video on 2. These are your fixtures. I think these are EPCO WGH fixtures of some sort. I don't know for sure though. All right, we're gonna go ahead and get off here. I'm not gonna do the, I already rode that elevator over there just a second ago when I discovered the song. But anyways, there it goes, and that's it.